name's Natalia. I'm here at Misty Mountain Health Retreat. I've been here for 7 days now. I must admit, at the very beginning, the walking almost killed me. I have never seen so many hills. I get why it's called Misty Mountain now. But by this morning, we went for our morning walk and I actually ran up the hills. I was quite impressed. Always, at the end of the day, the best part is jumping into the river after our steam bath. Fantastic. You meet a lot of great people and the staff are always friendly. They like to push you a little bit, but they let you go at your own pace. I recommend it for all ages. I'm a young person and it suits me fine, and there's a lot of different age groups around here, and yeah, it's been great. Definitely come down and check it out for yourself.